Have you ever wondered how the first humans managed to navigate the harsh, icy landscapes of North America? Picture a time when colossal sheets of ice covered the terrain, a period known as the Ice Age. The landscape was not just a vast white wilderness but a dynamic, changing realm sculpted by the elements. In this icy world, unique geographical features were formed, and among these were the ice bridges. These were not mere curiosities of nature, but lifelines, critical paths that our ancestors tread upon. Massive ice formations, these bridges spanned across what seemed to be insurmountable bodies of water connecting the continents. A prime example is the Bering Land Bridge, a frozen highway that once linked present-day Alaska and Russia. Thousands of years ago, it was a vital conduit for early human migration, offering passage to those brave enough to traverse its icy expanse. These icy highways were the very first routes of travel and migration across the continent. Picture this: a vast icy landscape stretching as far as the eye can see. How would you cross it? Imagine the chilling winds, the crunch of the snow underfoot, and the endless white expanse. This was the reality for early humans and animals in North America, who dared to tread the perilous pathways of ice bridges. Ice bridge travel was not for the faint-hearted. It was a journey fraught with danger, demanding physical strength, endurance, and a keen sense of direction. But why did they embark on such treacherous travels? The answer lies in the fundamental urge of survival and exploration. These frozen highways were essential migration routes, connecting isolated regions and opening up a world of possibilities. Picture our ancestors armed with primitive tools navigating this icy labyrinth. They had to understand the ice, predict its behavior, and respond to its challenges. Tools made from stones and bones were their compass and survival kit. They used these to chip away at the ice, create shelters, and hunt for food. Hunting and gathering were not just about sustenance, it was about survival. In the cold, barren landscapes, food was scarce, and every meal was hard-earned. The early travelers had to be skilled hunters, able to track and catch their prey in the most challenging conditions. They also had to be resourceful gatherers, digging through the snow to find frozen berries or buried roots. Surviving the cold was another challenge. They had to carefully manage their energy reserves, stoke fires for warmth, and create makeshift shelters from the snow. Every day was a battle against the elements, but every dawn brought them closer to their destination. Despite the harsh conditions, these ice bridges were the lifelines of early travelers, leading them to new lands and opportunities. They were more than just a geographical feature. They were a testament to the resilience and adaptability of early humans, a symbol of their indomitable spirit, and a pathway to the world as we know it today. As the ice melted and the bridges disappeared, the early travelers had to adapt. But what impact did these icy paths leave behind? Imagine a world transitioning from a frozen wasteland to a landscape of burgeoning forests and roaring rivers. The disappearance of ice bridges due to climate change was a turning point for early humans in North America. They had to invent new ways of travel, swapping sleds for boats and snowshoes for sandals. But the legacy of the ice bridges extends beyond mere survival. These icy highways enabled migration patterns that would shape the demographics of the continent. From the Inuit in the Arctic to the Aztecs in Mexico, the footprints of early travelers can still be traced today. Moreover, the ice bridges acted as conduits for cultural exchange. Ideas, languages, and traditions were shared, enriching societies and fostering a sense of unity among disparate groups. The ice bridges of the past may be gone, but their legacy lives on in the history and culture of North America. So, what have we learned about the icy highways of the past? We've journeyed back to the Ice Age, where we discovered the formation of these frozen connectors, ice bridges, which were not just marvels of nature but also critical pathways for early travelers in North America. We've walked in their footsteps, crossing these icy bridges, understanding the challenges they faced. The biting cold, the treacherous terrain, the constant threat of the ice breaking beneath their feet. Yet these very bridges were vital, opening new frontiers, enabling the migration of people and animals across continents. We've also acknowledged the indelible legacy of these ice bridges. They shaped our history, influenced migration patterns, and played a pivotal role in the settlement of North America. As we come to the end of our journey, let's take a moment to appreciate these icy highways of the past. As we navigate our modern world, it's fascinating to remember the icy paths that guided our ancestors to where we are today.